Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M15 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, use all of those categories available at the top and pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on the Receive button. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!